The most important thing in communication is hearing what isn't said, by Peter Drucker. Hi, my name is Corey Jones, and just like many of you, I'm a student here at Mansfield University and enrolled in this oral communications class. Today I will be talking to you about the three main parts that make up the basis of interactions within the communication process. Those three parts include communicators, messages, and channels. The first part that I'd like to talk to you about today are communicators. Communicators are the people who are readily involved in the conversation. Everyone today is acting as a communicator, whether they believe it or not, through both verbal and nonverbal communication. It is important to always be aware of the nonverbal communication we use and to make sure it is appropriate for the situation. The second part that I'd like to talk to you about today is messages. Messages are what we deliver on a daily basis when we are communicating. Messages can be either verbal or nonverbal, and it is important to know the difference of each, and to know when it is appropriate to use both. It is also important to use both encoding and decoding when censoring through our messages that we receive. The last part that I'd like to talk to you about today is channels. Messages, when they are delivered, go through a series of channels to get to where they need to be. Each channel targets a different spot on the sensory neurons in the brain. These sensory neurons are then used to determine what is being talked through the communication. When thinking about channels, it is important to remember communication situations and to remember when it is appropriate to use what channel. To review, the three main parts that I chose to talk about today were communicators, messages, and channels. In conclusion, the communication process is a multi-step discipline into communicating effectively that opens you up to a diverse selection of communication. Thank you.